too, man. But like, if you're gonna show up looking like that, like you can come help this dude dress any day of the week. That's a rockin' bow tie right there. Colston celebrating the big number 2 out in Fredonia.
I'm digging the curls and the blue eyes.
I know.
Like
the whole 9.
he is put together.
That is sharp.
Yes. Job, Mom.
Whoa! I heard that.
Okay, Dad.
Okay. All right. Now we're on equal footing. Thank you. I mean, look. Just because Caitlin showed up at preschool one time with shoes on the wrong feet, it doesn't mean that I screwed up all the time. And you still hang that over my head. Would you just let it go?
We could look at Colston's picture all day. What a cutie there. What a cutie. Moving on, though.
There's Chloe. I knew we'd bring her back.
Yeah. Her birthday was actually yesterday, but we didn't have her picture. So now we're going to show you beautiful little Chloe Harriman, who's now 11 years old in Girard.
Chloe, we were not going to forget you. We're going to celebrate your birthday all the way through the weekend, kiddo. Colin Ard is celebrating his 12th birthday, and looks like he's got big brother skills right there. Colin, a happy 12th to you in Moran.
Good big brother, yeah. Jolie O'Brien, turning 17 years old this year. Great picture there of Jolie in Edna, Kansas.
Amber Knobloch, she is celebrating her 32nd birthday. Amber, a very happy birthday to you. She's in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Trina Ashmore.
I didn't know there was both of them.
Yeah, so we've
got I would have kept going.
Amber and Trina. And Trina is in Frontenac. Happy birthday.
I'm not sure which is on the left and which is on the right, but Amber and Trina, very happy birthdays to the both of you. Mark Thompson, he is celebrating his 61st birthday. Mark, I want you to have a great weekend. He's in Pittsburgh.
All right, happy birthday, Mark.
You got to carry the next 3 of these, okay? Because you got some splaining to do.
All right, well, we'll start with the man in the middle there, Mr. Paul Baloo, who will be celebrating over the weekend, but his birthday is actually on Monday, up in Fort Scott, turning 62 years old. And then we have his grandson, Dylan, who's now 7 strong, and his granddaughter, and of course, Dylan's older sister, Maya Chaplin, who's now 8 years old. So Paul and Dylan's birthdays are actually on Monday, but Maya's birthday is today. What a fun weekend it's going to be.
Party on in Fort Scott, huh?
Yeah.
The party is on. That's great. Chuck Buck, a very happy birthday. Oh, at the old ball field. I know it well, my friend. A happy birthday to Chuck in Frontenac.
In Humboldt, Kansas, Lizzie Black is celebrating a birthday, and that is definitely something to cheer about.
There we
Happy
go,
birthday,
a little
Lizzie.
Humboldt Cub pride right there. I love that.
I like
Lizzie,
it. I like
special,
that they got CBS on in the background behind her, too.
Oh, does you? Hold on. Let me
I'm pretty sure that's Nora O'Donnell in the background.
Let me walk up and say, no, is that Nora behind her?
It looks like Nora.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Yes, that's the CBS eye. We notice things.
That's great. Lizzie, hey, Steve Hollingsworth says happy birthday to Lizzie Black as well. Humboldt Cub pride right there. That's awesome.
Happy birthday, Lizzie.
Heidi Turner. I love the way that name is spelled. Heidi, I had not seen that before, and it's a gorgeous looking picture. A very happy birthday to you in Parsons.
That's a great picture there. And Carol Pack.
Oh, Miss Carol.
Celebrated yesterday, and probably all weekend long too, why not? In Thayer, Kansas.
Happy birthday, Carol. On to some anniversaries. Cole and Courtney Edwards, they are celebrating their first anniversary, and what a marvelous picture right there. Cole and Courtney, congratulations. They're celebrating in Fredonia.
All right, and Harvey and Marie Clark are celebrating their 53rd anniversary this year. What a great picture there of the Clarks. They are in Columbus.
Hey, do you remember one of the birthdays we did yesterday was somebody's mom?
Yes.
Well, that person's mom had a birthday yesterday, and that wonderful daughter has a birthday today. That is our own Diane Cunningham. That's right, yesterday we had her mother on who is celebrating her birthday, and our senior marketing consultant, Diane Cunningham, is celebrating her birthday today. Diane, you know that the shows don't go on without your wonderful work. We absolutely love and adore you. And looking at that picture of her mom yesterday, I said the smile, you said the eyes, and yeah, it is so true. They are almost spitting images right there. Happy birthday, Diane, and a whole lot of love from all of us here. Jessica Commons, a happy 31st birthday to Jessica in Cherokee. Clifton Jarrett celebrating a birthday. Clifton is in Baxter Springs.
And we've got Janice.
No, I was pausing because I'm like, sans picture. I'll get to the bottom of it. Janice Gaither, we love you. A very happy birthday in Columbus. Yeah, go ahead.
Making sure you weren't pausing again.
No, I was pausing because I'm like, Gaither family.
Behind the scenes, I have to look around the camera to see you.
I know.
So.
Gaither family.
All right, so we've got Mandy Schmelzer celebrating in Columbus. Barbara Wicks turning 73 in Nevada.
Hey, the Dunnicks.
Yeah, the Dunnicks. John and Patty in Columbus. Happy anniversary.
You know why they call it? Prescott? That's where Roger Bloomfield is. Do you know why they call it Prescott?
Why is that?
Because if you're coming out of Kansas City, it comes before Fort Scott. You got Prescott, and then you got Fort Scott.
And another behind the scenes. You can see me rolling my eyes.
Roger Broomfield, a very happy birthday to you in Prescott. Rose Cherry, she is celebrating in Miami. And Elmer Sanders, a very happy birthday in Commerce. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this November the 12th. Maybe it's the 13th, 14th, or some of you, like we had with the Baloo Chaplin family on the 15th. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. So you can be a part of the KOM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website at komnewsnow.com and sign up for the KOM Birthday Club today.